All right, you've opened a 529 account. Now you want to know what changes can you make, what options are available to you. Really, there's two different options, two different topics I want to talk about. The first is a rollover. So maybe you've opened this account in another state, you now live in Illinois. You can move it from plan to plan depending on your state-specific options. If you were living in Kansas, you applied the money towards the Kansas plan, took the state tax deduction. Now moving it, you may have to recapture some of the tax deductions you had over the years. That's just a thought. Another is you're only allowed to change plans per beneficiary once every 12 months. So another consideration there. But if you have a plan and maybe you want to change who the beneficiary is, this allows you to change it from any child to any family member as often as you want. So if child number 1 doesn't go to school or receives a scholarship, you can move this now to child number 2. Or a family member, or a relative. So the 529 plan has a lot of options and can be a great way to both save and pay for future college expenses.